This is Guy's 2020 Dodge Charger SRT Scat Pack, and today we're setting it up with our Stage-2 Naturally Aspirated Package. After baseline dyno pulls, John gets started in the shop. Up first, he installs our air intake system of choice from JLT Performance. From our testing, this is the most cost-effective intake system we've seen for HEMI-powered Mopars. Great fit, OEM-like finish, and fantastic performance at a super competitive price point, which makes this intake our go-to. And while he's in there, he goes ahead and installs the optional Moto Rad 180-degree thermostat and J&L air oil separator. Next, he moves on to the stainless power long tube headers. These headers sound great, add solid power, and are constructed of TIG welded stainless steel to last the long haul. And of course, we only use genuine OEM Mopar gaskets to complete the installation. Now, normally we'd be connecting to the stock exhaust system, but Guy wanted to go on the more aggressive side and opted for the optional Corsa 2 3/4 inch valved exhaust system. This exhaust system won't help much with power delivery, but let's be real, the vast majority of us don't change exhaust for the power. then back to the dyno to get dialed in via HP tuners. Alright, let's talk through these gains here. Now, this car baselined around 20 wheel horsepower higher than most 6.4 liter HEMIs we've seen through our shop, so we were pretty curious to see where the power ended up. And she did not disappoint. Exceptionally strong baseline of 450 wheel horsepower and 467 pound-feet of torque. With our Stage-2 Naturally Aspirated Package kicking output up to 479 wheel horsepower and 494 pound-feet of torque. That's peak gains of 29 wheel horsepower and 27 pound-feet of torque, with maximum gains coming in at 56 wheel horsepower and 54 pound-feet of torque. Pretty solid difference, especially in the mid-range. And whenever a guy's ready, he's primed to add our camshaft package to break that 500 wheel horsepower mark naturally aspirated. Alright guys, well if you liked what you saw here, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more. And as always, if you have any questions at all, we're happy to chat. Thanks for watching.